Hi, this is your teacher بالمدينة أضحك. Hope you are doing well. Today is a new lesson. Hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my new YouTube channel to activate notifications to get new videos and leave me your valuable comments. Thanks for your support.
Hi, we already talked about the present simple with the verb to be. Now let's see how to form the present simple with other verbs. Okay, so it's not with the verb to be, today it's with other verbs. Well, very simply, we make the present simple in the same way with all other verbs, which means that you take any verb and you add s to he, she, it. And then you have the present simple of the verb. Okay? Example, the verb to play. He plays. S. We add an extra S. Another example, dance. He or she dances. We add an extra S. Of course, when we conjugate any verb in any tense, we conjugate this verb in the affirmative, negative, and interrogative form. So, since we are talking about the present simple, so the positive is really easy. Okay? The affirmative form is very easy. So we add S to the verb if the subject is he, she, or it. Example, the verb write. Okay? He writes. The verb climb. He climbs. The verb run. She runs. But sometimes, before we add an S to the verb in the present simple with he, she, or it, we must take into consideration some spelling changes. Example, if the verb ends in Y, okay, so here we omit Y and we add IES. Example, study. The present simple form is he studies. IES. Or the verb try. He tries. The verb marry. She marries. Okay, so we have to take into consideration this little change of spelling. Okay, so generally we add S, but if the verb ends in Y, we add IES, and of course we omit Y. Okay, so this is spelling change 1. The second spelling change, so if the verb is, or the verb ends in S or SH or CH, we add ES. Example, to wash. Okay, wash, the verb ends in SH. So she washes, ES. To pass, okay, to pass the exam, for example. So the verb is ends in double S. So here he passes, ES. Teach, he teaches, ES. Okay. Now let's talk about irregular verbs. Why we call them irregular? Because when we conjugate them in the present simple, they change morphologically speaking. I mean, okay? So example, have. So the present simple form of the verb have is he has, or she has, or it has. Another verb, to do. Okay? Do, she does. DOES. Okay? Another verb, go. He goes. GOES. Okay? So these are 3 examples of irregular verbs in the present simple. So I think we are done with this lesson, starter lesson with the present simple. Verbs.